Okay, the wind is picking up right now. It's crazy. And that's where it's doing. It's supposed to spin more than what it's doing. Wind is kicked up. Maybe when you come in one day, you can look at it. Okay? Alrighty, bye.